Let's go get my baby. Beatrice, I'm coming. I have missed him so much. I have not seen him this year at all, so I'm excited to just catch up in. Let's see what's happening. She's your favorite, huh?
I fucking hate her.
No, I'm talking to Costadina.
Costadina.
Yeah. She's your favorite.
Fucking love it.
You see? People agree.
She's a fucking tridotetati. How do you say that?
Tridotetati.
She's like degrader. Ageri Mubu. Who the fuck sees that shit? I mean, look at this fucking TikTok dance.
Look, I like the braids though.
What braids?
Her hair.
She's a beautiful girl and she can move, but she's
just a trailer park girl.
She's so I don't know. There's something off about her. Anyway.
Yes.
Everybody fucking knows Hillary Duff. She's an actress. Yes, she still is. Cause when you're touching me, baby, it's on. You make my heart go. You make my heart go. You.
What are we doing?
I can wear my shirt.
He's gonna try some stuff that he got from Boohoo.
From where?
Boohoo.
I got them from ASOS.
Come on, I thought you got it from Boohoo. Okay, well, scratch that. Some things that you got from ASOS. So, number one.
Plain shirt. I like the color very much.
Basic.
Is
it green?
deep green.
Look at us, twinsies.
Kind of. I like it.
Is it jeans from them?
No, the jeans I just wore them, they're mine.
Okay, alright.
I've had them for a long time.
Alright, okay, a basic shirt, not bad.
Very
it's
nice.
Cute, very demure.
Yes.
What is next? Ooh.
Another plain shirt.
Okay.
It's gray, this one.
But this
dark
is
gray.
Oh, I like this. This is a bit fitted.
Yes,
Oh,
it
I
is
like
a bit.
It. Look at your
Plain
hair.
shirt. I don't have plain shirts.
What do you have? Like
this.
Alright, I like this too. I really do. Turn around.
Turn.
Spin.
You spin me round, round, baby, round, round. Yes.
I like that. I approve.
Yes, I like it too. And then this one is also very nice.
I like that color.
I like the color.
This is good for this weather.
It is, and it's kind of it's wool actually.
Yeah, well you can like wear shirts inside and then wear this on top of it, and then it's like chic like Oxford vibe.
You think?
Yeah.
I like it.
We like it. We approve.
I like it.
Yeah, that's really cool.
And now my favorite t-shirt. It's actually a crop top, but like an extra large one.
This one?
This is a crop top.
You will always buy a crop top.
But this is.
Okay,
it's supposed to be short.
Yeah. What like? Okay, I like it. But this is like just casual.
It is. Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Where are you gonna wear this to?
I don't know. Like outside.
Like where outside? Like
maybe I'll go for coffee with this. I don't know.
with whom? Not with
I don't know. Not with you with that attitude.
Not with you. You're not like no jumper no more. Like if I count how many jumpers you have in your closet, like I need to come borrow me some.
You should. I do have like jumpers.
Because if I wear this, it will look good because my boobs will put it up and then you can actually see my belly button.
I'm sorry for not having boobs. Sorry.
You know, something to think about. But it's cute. It's cute.
Thank you. I like it. Now, Let me just.
Woo, now we're talking. Okay, I like the color for sure.
It's a very nice shirt. I like the color too.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna wear this with a nice pair of pants.
Nice pants, yeah, for
I
sure.
like it, and it's got like stripes.
Yeah.
What's this fabric called? I don't know.
Let me see. Let me see. I'm trying to know. I don't know. It's kind of like a stretchy vibe, but it's not stretch.
Yes.
Right? But yeah, you get the gist.
The what?
The gist.
What is that?
Like the vibe. Like you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Tell us if you like the shirt down in the comments below.
Like, is it a keep or return? Can you even return this thing if you don't like it?
I do like this though.
Yeah, but I'm just saying,
I can if I want to.
If you don't want it, then you can just like return.
Yes.
But I approve. Food is here.
The pizza's here.
Petty man.
Petty man.
Wait a minute. Oh hell no! No, honestly, you just talk on them. It's taking this sweet ass time. What are you doing? Say hello.
Caminita, yes, yes.
Baby!
Baby!
Baby, food is here. Dinner is
I'm so fucking hungry, you have no idea. I'm just gonna like
You're
fucking
gonna
swallow it like the whole
inhale
thing.
it. I'll transfer this over here. That's a baggy pants.
Yeah.
Is that like the purpose for that?
Yes.
Okay, come into the lights. Come into the lights. Okay, I like the pants, but not with the shirt.
I mean, I didn't have anything else to wear right now.
We have to work on that.
But like, can
Can you jump? Can you squat on that?
if I can squat?
Yeah.
I don't know, can I?
No, you can't.
I like the pants.
Me too. I like it.
They're very nice. And I can wear them like at a wedding or
With a really nice.
your funeral.
You wear this at my funeral?
I'm gonna be wearing red.
You
At your
wear
funeral.
red? Oh wow! I would like wake up and
Slap the shit
beat the
and
heck out
then
of
die
you.
again.
I will beat you.
But yeah, so what do you think of the pants?
I like the pants, but we have to work on the top thing.
I mean, yeah. Should I wear something else?
Is that all? Is that it?
Yes.
That's the all.
Oh well, I actually got I got
Shoes.
some more stuff.
Okay, like.
Oh, I got the shoes. I didn't show you the shoes.
Yeah, so you have to like. What
Yes,
are you
yes,
doing?
yes. You're right.
Go grab them. We have to wear everything.
Yes.
Okay, this one I like. This one
I like this very much.
and it feels
This-
heavy. I like the style.
And it's so cozy. I like this kind of clothes. How do you call this?
Wool.
Not the fabric, but like, is this a jumper too?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I like this. I like the colors. This one I got from Zara.
You go from Zara?
Yeah.
I like the design.
Yeah.
Like if I see something like this, I would definitely get it. Can you bring the shoes and the rest of the stuff? I'm the George of this.
Got me a new jacket.
Okay, the leather jacket. I actually like the color.
I like it, and I wanted it to look vintage. That's
Yeah.
how I like it.
It is like
So-
that. Okay. It's not bad. From ASOS or Zara?
I'm sorry.
From ASOS or Zara?
This is from Zara.
Okay.
I like it. I've always wanted one like this because it's so easy to like wear it with whatever. You can just
casual, or
casual,
you
whatever.
can dress it up or you can dress it down.
Yeah.
And then you got the shoes, the white one.
How did you even see them?
Because I have not seen that before. Unless it's Costantino's shoes.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not gonna wear them.
No.
Can I just show them?
Yeah.
So these are the shoes that I got from.
ASOS?
No, I got them from a local.
It says
it's a
Gas.
local. I think it's a. I mean, yeah, the brand is
1984.
Gas, whatever. These were actually very cheap. I got them for 50 euros discount, and I just want them for like everyday use.
Yeah, but how much like in the full price?
It was like 80 or something.
Yeah, so it's just because they're on sale. So you
They were on
just
sale.
you got it for $80. But
50.
but yeah, they're nice.
They're very nice.
They're really nice.
For everyday use because I destroy my shoes.
You
I have this tendency of destroying my shoes.
It's because like if you constantly wear them like all the time,
I
like,
overwear them.
Yeah, like you have to wear them, clean them, and then put them back where you can fucking wear something else.
Peachy.
That's how I wear my shoes. Like
look at the boots.
You got the boots too?
These ones I can't wait to wear.
Oh,
these are great.
These are really nice.
This is very beautiful. I got them from ASOS.
I like the color.
The color is beautiful. I don't know if it translates
it's
perfectly
like, it's
in
like,
the camera. Dark purple kind of.
Like I don't know. It depends. I think it depends on the lighting, because it could be like dark. Somebody could be like, look at it, how dark it is here in the light here.
Yeah, but it's also the light here. Like the actual light.
Well, this is cool. How much is this?
I got them for like 70 euros.
Okay, that's
so
not
they were
bad.
actually pretty cheap.
Decent.
Yeah, from ASOS.
They put ASOS design in there.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Can't wait to wear them actually.
So you're UK size 10.
Yeah, whatever that
And
means.
44.8 here in Euro, and US 11.
I never understood what all of these things mean.
Well, yeah, you need to understand if you want to get your size, because sometimes when you want to
Well,
buy...
thank God they had like
the charts.
even they had charts on the ASOS website. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to get my trousers or my pants or whatever.
You Google it. That's what I do.
I do that too. But...
It's confusing when you're trying to get something, and then you're like, what size am I? Am I a medium? Am I a large? You need help?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, you did well.
Thank you.
Money well spent.
Money well spent. It was a lot of money. I don't buy things for me. I don't buy clothes. I was never like big on buying clothes ever. But like ever since I went to that trip with Rita in ASOS, I got me a couple of things there that were quite expensive for my standards.
Yeah, like the splurge or the...
Exactly. And it felt good. Why do I keep falling?
Because you're hungry, that's why.
I'm very hungry.
You need food.
And it felt good that I got to spend some money on me and my clothes. So, for myself.
Yeah.
So, I had some money, like, saved up, and I indulged in a little shopping.
It's good, like once in a while, just to buy yourself something, you know.
I never really cared about my clothes or whatever.
Oh, you have to.
I don't know how to dress up myself.
Because you just put on a jumper and it's just like, let's go.
I mean, yeah, exactly.
Well, you look good in it.
I mean, when you have a face like this,
I know, right? Face card never
declines. Today I'm not even. I look like shit, but whatever. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.
And comment and like and share.
Yes. And let us know. Did he kill it or did he kill it? Yeah.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. We're gonna go eat now.